Good day friends, welcome to my channel lecture series in power electronics. In this session, we'll learn to find the equivalent resistance of a circuit in which the resistors are connected in a series parallel combination. It is required to find the equivalent resistance for the following resistor combination circuit. Here we have a number of resistors connected and they are all connected in series or parallel combination. Let us first analyze this circuit. In this circuit, we see that the 10 ohms and 2 ohms resistors are connected in series and the combination of that is connected in parallel with the 6 ohms resistor. Let us start solving this circuit from the right hand side. Let us start solving the problem from the right hand side. Here we observe that the 10 ohms connected between the points D and E and the 2 ohms connected between E and F are connected in series. The equivalent value for this is 10 plus 2, 12 ohms. Now this 12 ohms is connected in parallel to the 6 ohms. Now we observe that the 12 ohms and 6 ohm resistors are in parallel. We can find out the equivalent resistance of this parallel combination as 12 into 6 divided by 12 plus 6, which is equivalent to 4 ohms. Now we see that this 4 ohms and the 8 ohms are connected in series. As the two resistors 4 ohms and 8 ohms are connected in series, the equivalent resistance is now 12 ohms, and this 12 ohms we see that it is now connected in parallel to 6 ohms resistor. The equivalent resistance of this 12 ohms and 6 ohms can be found out as 12 into 6 by 12 plus 6, which is equivalent to 4 ohms, and we observe that this 4 ohms is in series with the 4 ohms connected between the points H and G. The equivalent resistance of the two 4 ohms connected in series is 8 ohms, and now we observe that the 8 ohms resistor is connected in parallel with the 8 ohms resistor connected in between H and D. As we see here, there are two 8 ohms resistor connected in parallel, and the equivalent resistance of these two is 8 ohm resistor is calculated as 8 into 8 by 8 plus 8, which is again 4 ohms, and we observe that this equivalent resistance of 4 ohms is connected in series with the 4 ohms resistor, which is connected between the points C and D. The equivalent value 4 ohms obtained from the previous case is now in series with 4 ohms, which is connected between C and D. Because they are connected in series, the value is 8 ohms, and this 8 ohms is connected in parallel with the resistor which is connected between the points C and H. The equivalent resistance of two 8 ohms resistor connected in parallel will be 4 ohms. Now it is connected between the 2 points C and H. We can observe that the 4 ohms resistor connected between C and H is in series with the 6 ohms resistor connected between A and C. So the series combination will give us a value 4 plus 6 as 10 ohms. From this we see that the equivalent resistance between the points A and B is 10 ohms. Thus, in this session, we have understood how to find the equivalent value of resistance from a circuit which has a series and parallel combination of resistors. In this particular case, the final equivalent value of resistance between the points A and B is just 10 ohms. Thank you. In this session, we have learned about reducing a network consisting of a series and parallel combination of resistors to a simple circuit consisting of only one resistance. Thank you. Up next, the domestic appliances connection.